Okay, so I got this 91 Bronco and it will not start. So I had one suggestion. Somebody told me that it might be the coil pack. So as you can see, I replaced that, even though look how rusted on the side is actually brand new. And it still won't start. So I took my battery, I thought, because I was driving it and it cut out like when I went in the building and came back out. So I thought maybe that it was my alternator. I just took my battery to get tested and it wasn't the alternator. I mean, the battery was fully charged, so it wasn't the alternator. And see, I tried to do a check engine light check, but nothing. Does nothing. I can hear the fuel pump come on when I turn the key forward. So I don't know what that is. But it cranks, but it won't turn over. So I only had this thing like 2 weeks. Well, almost a month now, but drove for 2 weeks. It's been down for 2 weeks. So I thought on YouTube searching videos, thinking about somebody else just told me that this modulator thing, whatever, sometimes this goes out because I'm not getting a spark. So I mean, the distributor looks fairly new. Like I said, I just bought it, so I don't know, but the battery's good. I guess this is gonna be the next thing, which this thing is like the cheapest one was like $45, and for the whole thing is $75. So I was like, I might as well just go buy a whole new distributor because it comes with it. So that's where I'm at. If you guys got any ideas or had any ideas or had this problem before and you fixed it, let me know. Like I said, it's a 91 Ford Bronco Custom 351 5.8. I mean, it was running good too. Like, wasn't no really misfires while I was driving. Ironically, the day it cut out, I never used the cruise control, which I know this probably doesn't have anything to do with it, but it's just ironic to me that the day I use the cruise control is the same day that it cuts out, the first time using it. So let me know if you guys got any tips or suggestions. Appreciate it.